What up, guys? I'm back with another one. Hey, part two. So we're doing a deep cycle 12-volt battery welder restore process, and we got it cranking. So I'm gonna show you here a little bit what's going on. I've got my MIG TIG welder. I got it set for my stick welder. Got it connected here. And you see, we've got some bubbling. A little bit of bubbling going on. So we're gonna do that for about 5 minutes and let it rest for 15 minutes, put on high bubbling, and then repeat for 5 times total.